Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Verizon Smart Home router settings to new device step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Verizon Smart Home router. Connect to the router using your computer or mobile device. Open a web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in the router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1. Press the Enter key to access the router's login page. When prompted, enter your router's username and password. If you haven't changed these from the default, the username is typically admin. The default password can be found on the router or in the user manual. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section. Look for a subsection labeled Backup and Restore. Select the option for Backup Settings. Click on the Backup button to create a backup file. Choose a location on your computer to save this backup file. Make sure to remember this location for future use. After the backup is complete, safely log out of the router interface. Now, turn on your new device that will replace the old router. Connect to the new router using a similar method as before. Open your web browser and enter the new router's IP address. Log into the new device with the default username and password. Locate the Settings section in the new router's interface. Find the Backup and Restore subsection again. This time, click on the Restore Settings option. Select the backup file you previously saved from the old router. Confirm the restoration process to apply the settings to the new device. Wait for the router to process the restore request. Once completed, check that your network settings are correctly configured. Reconnect your devices to the new router to ensure everything is functioning. Enjoy your connected home with your new device and backed up settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.